How to block someone on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guide studio, and today's guide will show you how you can easily block someone on Samsung phone. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to block someone on your phone, simply go ahead and open up the phone application. Now you can go to the contact or the recent option where exactly have this contact number. And let's say I just want to block the first contact from the list. Now to do that, simply go and tap on the contact. You'll get to see a few different options will pop up. Now simply go and tap on this I button here. Now once you tap on this will get into the contact information. Now at the bottom right, you'll get to see the more option. You just go and tap on these and you'll get to see the block contact. Now if you go ahead and select that and tap on block, and the contact will be successfully blocked from the list. Now if you see the block list, you can just go ahead and get back from here. Now from the phone, go and tap on this three dot line at the top right, and then simply go ahead and tap on settings. Now once you're here inside the settings, you'll get to see the block numbers. You can tap on this, and inside this one you'll get to see the block contact. Now if you unblock the person, you can tap on the red button beside the number. You can tap on this and the contact will be unblocked from the list. And this is how you can block someone on your Samsung phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.